Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to assemble a Rubik's Cube. Uskpahal Rubik's Cube Karito. Coming to the topic. Let's go. This is disassemble cube. Pick up the centerpiece. Select any color. My favorite color is red. This is H-piece. And H-piece fit like this. For H-piece in one color, apply in such a way that all the colors are match. Now cross is done. Now turn to fill corner piece. Insert corner piece carefully. If the corner pieces are not placed carefully, the Rubik's Cube will break. First layer done. Now put second layer H pieces. Look like this. Second layer done. Now fill third layer H and corner pieces. Look like this. First fill H piece and second fill corner piece, and repeat step. Always fill corner piece in first. And always H piece fill in last. Oops, undone. Sorry. Now your cube is ready. If you have a magnetic Rubik's Cube, then tell me by comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe.